Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to delete McAfee from Windows 11 easily if McAfee is slowing down your PC, slowing too many pop-ups, or just want to use Window Defender instead of this. So let's get started. So firstly, click on Start menu and search for Settings. Then open Settings. On the left side, click on Apps. Now select Installed Apps. In the search bar, type McAfee. You may see McAfee Advisor by McAfee. Click three dots next to the McAfee app and choose uninstall. Here you will see. Click on uninstall. Then confirm uninstall. Now click on uninstall again to confirm. McAfee may ask when you want to remove it. You can select any option and continue. Make sure all McAfee components are selected. Then click on remove. Here you will see it will ask for before you uninstall you can tell us a bit more then why you uninstall it. You can select the reason and wait for the uninstall process to finish. After uninstalling, restart your PC. This helps Windows remove leftover McAfee files and service completely. That's it. Now you know how to delete McAfee from Windows 11 easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.